Hi everyone, my name is Anna Morvin. Welcome on my channel. I decided to make this video randomly. I'm currently designing a lopapeysa. It's my first professionally written down lopapeysa design. And I figured out that it would be useful for some knitters to show how to pick up stitches from this edge and how to start to knit the sleeve. So here this lopapeysa is knitted from bottom up, and for sleeves I was casting on stitches with the backwards loop method. The link is up there, and also it's down in the caption. That's how it looks on a ready sleeve. You see, it turns out to be such a pretty braid, and I really love this effect. So here's the stitches for underarm. There are 15 stitches here, and there are 15 stitches, 51 stitches were cast on with the backwards loop cast on method. And let's start our sleeve. So we are going to make the beginning of the round in the middle of the armpit. There is 15 stitches. We should divide it on 2. It will be 8 and 7. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It will be our beginning of the round. 1, 2. Yeah, picking up those stitches from scrap yarn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then there is often gaps and holes form in transition from underarm to sleeve, so we need to pick up like 2 stitches over here, and then on first like normal round we will knit first stitch together with this part of stitches and second stitch together with the sleeve stitches. I'm doing it just like this. Even it could be like this. So there is the stitch, there's the round like the column. I will pick up it like this, and another one. And let's go to our stitches that were cast on with the backwards loop cast on. Here they are, you see? But we should pick them up from back to front. It could seem not very convenient, but in the end we will get this beautiful braid. So picking up stitches from behind. I prefer to knit with the magic loop method, so I should divide this on 2. 15 plus 51 is 66 stitches, divide on 2 is 33. There is 8, 9, 10, 18, 33, first half. Then there is a place between sleeve and underarm, picking up 2 stitches here. Let's see. Let's do this and this. And 7 stitches from scrap thread. Deleting scrap thread. Here's our 2 parts, 35 and 35, because there is 2 extra stitches on each needle, which we will decrease in the first wear round. So set up a marker for the beginning of the round. Here it's our beginning, and just need when I join a new yarn, especially if it's underarm, I am making several few stitches holding double thread, so this tail would be fixed. Like 3 stitches, I think it should be fine. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then there is the 8th from underarm and 1 from the gap. Knit them together. And knit together next 2 stitches, 1 from the gap and 1 from the actual sleeve. Yeah, one moment. First of all, I didn't catch them. So these stitches from cast on edge, we need to knit them on back loop. Okay, so not on first, on back, on second one. And it's hard to see right now, but there is the braid is forming the braid like here, this one. That's all for today. Thanks for watching me. I will add the link to the pattern of this lopapeysa to the caption. Yeah, when it will be ready. Thanks for watching me. Follow my channel for more interesting stuffs. Wish you a great day. Bye.